We all wonder about those high-end patrons who have Delta Airport Lounge access. Who are they and why don't I have that? How can I be more like them? On January 5th, 2025, the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office was called to the scene at the airport as this man decided to risk it all.
You can once you exit. You can tell me everything.
I'm a member of the club. Get away from me. Disgusting. I show them my pass. Then I'm member. And I don't have
The airport completely.
Oh, you think so?
I am. There's my supervisor right there, so yes. You can speak your mind all you
don't
want.
talk to your supervisor. Speak to yourself.
I am speaking for myself, in case you wanted my supervisor. Because I'm telling you with my authority that you're about 2 seconds from leaving the airport.
Because of why?
Because why? Because I'm telling you, you need to leave now. And you're telling me you're not going to leave.
Because of why? I'm not leaving.
Because you don't have
why?
Because you don't have the proper identification to get into the club in the first place. You have to have that card. If you don't have that card, what?
Where is that in your manual?
It's in their requirement that you have to have
Where
their
is that
missing.
in your manual?
Okay.
I'm going to ask one question. Are you going to leave this room right now?
Yeah, certainly.
Then get up and leave.
Then get up and leave.
If you don't leave, you're going to ask one question. Are you going to leave this room right now?
Yeah, certainly.
Then get up and leave.
Then get up and leave.
If you don't leave, you're under arrest for trespass. Period. I'm not going to play with you. What are you going to do?
I'm not playing
One more question. Are you going to get up and leave?
Can I ask a question?
No, you may not. You may take your stuff and get out, or you're going to go to jail for trespassing. What is your choice?
My choice is...
Then you're going to go to jail.
I said, no, my choice was to leave. Nope, sir, my choice was to leave.
Nope.
Hey,
don't resist.
No.
Don't resist. And you chose not to.
Resisting.
Nope, you had the
You
option.
had plenty of options and we gave them to you.
I said I'm gonna leave. I said I'm gonna leave.
No, it's too late now.
No. This is unnecessary.
No, you just
Ow.
You got another period?
I want to leave. There were rooms. That's the only thing I'm saying. I thought you said I had one chance to leave, and I said I'm leaving.
Yeah, well, you never.
All right.
You,
That's what you're doing. You're
we
talking.
gave you ample opportunity to stand up and walk
fair
out, and you didn't.
Ow. Jesus
You're
Christ.
not supposed to be comfortable, and there's two on you, okay? We're here playing games.
You had every opportunity to leave,
Sir,
and
I'm
you
not
didn't.
going to leave.
Quiet. Exercise that right. Is that yours too?
Yep. That's my bag. My medicine is in it. Prescribed medicine.
She's old and free. Thank you, guys.
What's the problem? Just a patch.
It's 2 o'clock. There's no one here.
There's no one here.
Sit down.
They're shutting down the phone
I
calls.
didn't do anything.
Sit
Turn
down.
to the side. Turn to the side. Turn to the side.
All right. Stop tearing my wrist.
I'm not touching your wrist.
Sit down
Just sit
sideways
down.
and swing your feet around. You don't have any idea on that? There's your phone. Alright. How'd you get through a checkpoint if you didn't have your ID?
Because I went to a thing with a guy.
It would have been just
I was
fine.
completely-
No, you
Ryan.
weren't.
I
No,
was
you weren't.
completely- Yes, I was.
Definitely random.
Yes,
I'm
sir,
not
I
going to
was.
argue with you,
Yes,
okay?
sir, I was.
Because you're wrong.
Oh, right there.
Okay?
Date of birth.
And because you're wrong is why
Your
I'm
number?
going to get. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Need assistance, sir, or are you able to get up by yourself?
I got it. Be careful. We turn off.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.